I'm Deacon Wong. This is my bike check. It's a Capone Cardinal frame. Got it from Mike Schmidt. Nice and good. Got this sweet dent right here. I guess we'll start even more up on the top. We got ODI softies. They're whatever. Some ODI softy barns. They're just fucked up. Got these rough 7-inch rise bars in raw. Shout out Jacob. He's like one of the coolest dudes. Got that Mike Schmidt Saudio stem. Shout out Mike. I got these LDG forks, 420 A to C, pretty tight. Got the rough can rim laced to a fucking trash ass division hub. It's a piece of shit. Fuck this, fuck them. Worst parts, don't buy them. Got Merit peg, the shorty ones. S&M Kevlar seat, I believe. Zero Revenge Industry posts, whatever. Primo Stevie cranks, 24 mil fit, 25 tooth sprocket. Primo pedals, Royal straps. Primo bottom bracket. Fucking shitty ass KMC chain. Back wheel is rough can to resist contact. Snapped my axle, but Kareem gave me a new one. Shout out Kareem, Master Bike Co. Go fucking buy some shit from them. I got these ring pegs in the back. Primo hub guard on the other side. And I think that's about it. Got my Clover. Shout out the Clover. Shout out to my dad, J-Ball. Shout out to my mom. Shout out Mike. Shout out Kareem. Shout out everyone who keeps my bike rolling. Even though I'm not that good. Thanks, guys.
If you don't throw this, I'm not posting this.
Yo!